you. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I'll leave the link down below for my profile, where I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I'll be making. With that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here, as well as the little bell, so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Now this video, I am so excited to share with you how I'm going to restore one of my most favorite wigs in my entire collection, which is Keeshana. I love Keeshana. I have worn her and it is shown. I have never restored a wig, so this is my first time. I watched a lot of methods, so we're gonna be using the fabric softener, which I got from ALDI, and then also the boiling water method. So let's take a look at my poor little Keeshana, who has seen better days. So, you know, she's not bad up here because, you know, it's not so tangly, but this bottom part, oh my God, she is like a little fried out mess right here. And last time I wore her, I was like, oh my God, I'm kind of embarrassed to be wearing her in this state right now. So the first step in any kind of wig restoration is you're gonna wanna comb out or brush out your girl. So I do have a comb right here, or of course I do have my wig brush right here. I find it's easier for me when I brush out my wigs for me to put it on my head versus a wig block. It's just easier for me. But since I'm not gonna put it on my head, I'm just gonna brush it in my hand. So here we go. All right, I have brushed her out. She is combed out using a combination of the comb and of course the brush. So of course you can see a little bit more about what a fried little mess she is right here. And she just, I mean, she feels horrible. So now we're gonna head to my kitchen, in which I have water boiling as we speak, and then I also have a metal bowl sitting in my sink. So we're gonna go there and give her some love. All ready for this transformation. I'm so excited. I have my boiling water. Now we're gonna be dousing her with the fabric softener. Do not be shy with the fabric softener. Definitely make sure that she is coated and rolled all up in it. All right, so then I add the boiling water, fill her up to the top with it, and then some say leave her for 15 minutes. I literally just let her sit until it was still warm, and then of course rinsing her off, getting all that fabric softener out of there. Oh my God, it smells so good. It was great. So next I put her on a towel, and then I'll be using this Fanola 10 spray, really great, kind of like the Frizzies spray, the comb, and I'm just gonna be combing her out. She was super easy to comb out. It was a real treat. So now here she is. I'm just tossing her on my head, and now we're gonna be blow drying her. Of course, since this is synthetic hair, it's super fast to blow dry, as it's not like your real hair with retaining the water. At this point, you're definitely not gonna like really notice like a huge difference, other than it's super soft putting your hands through it. So now the flat iron, this is where the magic really happens. So you're just gonna be flat ironing small sections, and of course using a brush along with it. That's pretty key for getting that ultra smooth and luxurious finish right there. Like as I was doing it, it was almost like it was transforming before my eyes. It was so incredibly exciting. I could do this all day long. It was so great. Look at that. I mean, that was Keeshana. Can you believe it? Oh my gosh, my dearest Keeshana lives on. So she's in her 2.0 version. Look at her. Oh my gosh, I could not believe she would ever look like this again. Like so smooth, and my hands just go right through the hairs. It is a dream. And honestly, this took no time at all. to do this entire project, and I'm really excited. I'm probably gonna curl her up, or maybe I'll keep her straight because this is kind of a cool look for her. I do love it, and I'm so excited that I gave this project a try. So let me know if you restore your wigs, if you have another way that you love to restore your wigs. I would love to know about it, because life is all about sharing information and being the best that we can be and saving your wigs. Yeah! I'm going to be restoring a lot of my wigs, as this was such an easy project to do. So I want to thank you all for watching. Check me out on Instagram. Great way for you to message me and let me know what you're up to and see you looking fabulous in your wigs and your makeup look. And I want to thank you, and we will see you soon.